Hello everyone. I am so glad you're here to practice some Qigong. Qi, Q-I, energy. Gong, G-O-N-G, the skill of working the energy. So to get started, we're just going to place one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. It doesn't matter right or left. And we're going to breathe in deeply in through the nose. Filling up with the air of now. When you're at the top of the breath, take a pause, exhale through the nose. You are enough. And repeat, breathing in deeply in through the nose. Pausing at the top of the breath. You are always enough. Exhale down through the nose. Repeat, in through the nose, pausing at the top, exhale down, relaxing your hands at your sides, gathering that sense, you are always enough. You always were, you always will be, you are equal to the moment. And then we're just going to do a little bit of shaking. So we can do a full body shake if you're standing. If you're sitting, you can just do the arms. So the full body shake just goes like this. Letting my arms hang heavy, landing on my heels. And if it's your arms, we're just loosening up at the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, going the other direction, shake, shake, shake. And then just feel the ginger ale in your fingers, relaxing your hands down, just noticing what that feels like, right? So we're transforming energy so that we can feel better. Okay, now we're gonna do heart to sky. So taking both hands together, locking your thumbs at that middle spot in your chest, an acupressure point. We're going to open the chest to the sky, open the heart to the sky, squeeze on the inhale, exhale down, drop the chin to the chest, drop the shoulders. Inhale, open, heart to sky. Exhale, closed, chin to chest. Inhale, open, in through the nose, exhale, closed, out through the nose. A couple more times, inhale, open. Exhale, closed. Inhale, open. Exhale, closed. So just notice how you're feeling. We're relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. All that stress that's up here, we want to get it out. We want to release it. We want the earth to compost it and turn it into something new, transform it. Okay, so we're really letting go of that. So we'll do another one. In Qigong, we call it spinal wake up. In yoga, we call it standing cat-cow. So elbows are bent, 90-degree angle. Loose wrists, loose elbows, loose shoulders. Inhaling up, open the heart yet again to the sky, pull the elbows down, exhale down, curl under. Inhale, open, thinking about the front of your spine, exhale, close, like gravity, pull your shoulder blades open. Couple more times. Good one to do at the start of the day. Inhale, open. Exhale, closed. Good one to do if you're sitting at your desk for a long time. You need to bring more vitality to your day. Start moving your body. Give your brain a break. One more time. We'll inhale, open. In through the nose. Exhale, closed. Out through the nose. And just relax. And take a pause and notice how you feel after every one of those little bits. Okay? going to do Buddha holds up the earth move. So I'm taking my hands right here in front of my belly. Your belly right here is considered your chi bank. Chi bank. And that's where we're going to store stuff. Okay? So I'm going to carry my hands, trace my hands up in front of the electrical system of the body, which is the spine. So it goes like this. Inhale up. Flip at the face. We're still inhaling. Look up. Exhale down. Flip the hands. Come down. Inhale up. Flip. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And we'll just repeat this if you wanted to add a healing sound to this. This is a move that extends the lung meridians of the body, and the sound of the lungs is so we can exhale down and make that sound. It vibrates the lungs, and we store a lot of emotion in the lungs. Inhale up, flip, exhale down. One more time, inhale up, exhale down. And then we'll take one hand to the belly, it doesn't matter right or left, and we'll inhale, the other arm, inhale up, exhale down the middle. We'll unite the two sides of us. Other side, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. We have a doer side, our right side of body, and we have a receiver side. Nature has a sun, the yang side, and a moon. Trying to find some balance. Balance doesn't necessarily mean 50-50. And then we'll just take our hands together, locking right there at the thumbs, and we'll just push into our belly this good energy that we cultivated. Okay, we've opened ourselves up to something, we've concentrated our breath, we've engaged the parasympathetic nervous system. So we created more rest and digest response in the body, and if it's good for the body, it's good for the mind. So just relax, feeling a sense of stillness, feeling a sense of power, that you are present in this moment. You are always enough. Just notice the good feelings. Notice the air on your skin. Anything you can hear or smell or taste. And then rubbing your hands together, blinking your eyes open, coming back into the room. I say namaste. I hope this was a help to you. You could practice any one of these exercises morning, noon, evening, and let it give you increased energy, reduced stress for body, mind, and heart. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will be having a lot more videos available to you. Everything we did today, you can easily do sitting in a chair, and I hope this was helpful to you. I will see you next time.